In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Google Drive for seamless file management. This process will make your workflow more efficient by allowing you to directly access and manage your Google Drive files from within Trello, integrating your project management and document storage in a smooth way. Let's get started. First, you're going to navigate to Trello. Just open your browser and head over to Trello.com. Once you're on the site, locate the Login button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed. If you already have a Trello account, you can log in using your email and password. Alternatively, you have the convenient option of logging in via your Google account, keeping things simple and secure. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage. Here's where you can view all your boards and workspaces. Navigate to the Your Workspaces section where you can see your list of boards. Now select the particular board where you want to link Google Drive. Click on it and you'll be taken directly to that board's main interface. In the board view, look for the Power Ups menu. It's usually located at the top of the page. Click on Power Ups and then on Settings to access the Power Ups management area. This is where you can add new integrations and enhance the functionality of your Trello board. In the Settings search bar, type Google Drive and you'll see the Google Drive Power Up option appear. Click on Add to integrate Google Drive with your Trello account. This action will initiate the connection between Trello and Google Drive, but we're not done yet. There's just a little more configuration needed. Once you've added Google Drive as a power-up, you're going to need to configure its settings. Click once more on Settings in the Power-Ups menu, then select Edit Power-Up Settings. You might see this option twice, don't worry about that, just click on it again if needed. This step-by-step process will guide you to a spot where you can now link your Google Drive account. Simply click on Link Google Drive Account and log in using your Google Drive credentials. This link connects your Trello board directly to Google Drive, allowing you to access all your files anytime you need them. After successfully logging into Google Drive, you can close this menu. Now let's ensure everything is working. Open any card on your selected board and you'll notice a new option labeled Google Drive. Click on it and voila. You can now attach files directly from your Google Drive to Trello cards, making collaboration and file management a breeze. And there you have it, a fully connected Trello and Google Drive setup designed to streamline your workflows. This integration will significantly improve your productivity by simplifying how you manage and share files within your team. Thank you for watching and enjoy the seamless experience.